All right, y'all, summertime is here, so let's get started with these Alabama white barbecue sauce wings. I'm telling y'all, it's pressure. Let's get into it. So boom, at this point in the year, if you're still hollering big back, it's over with. Try again next summer. So don't worry about the portion size. Keep the wing whole. Gonna marinate it with Italian dressing, with Worcester whatever, and hot sauce for about 2 hours, but preferably overnight. Now I combine some brown sugar with my Creole seasoning, and we're gonna hit the wings on both sides. Remember, if you ain't sneezing, it ain't seasoned. We're gonna smoke them on 225 degrees for about 2 hours. While that's going, we're gonna get started on the Alabama white sauce. Of course, we gotta come with the blue plate mayonnaise. They have a new label, but that same great taste that we love in New Orleans. And it's the base to this sauce. To it, we're gonna add some apple cider vinegar, lemon juice, honey, Dijon mustard, horseradish, Worcester whatever sauce, hot sauce, garlic paste, Creole seasoning, black pepper, and brown sugar. Adjust it to your liking, but it should look a little something like this. We're gonna put that to the side, go check on our wings, and look at that. Yes, Lord. Add buku of that Alabama white sauce to your wings, toss them up, and just like my name, you're all done.